In this video, I'll show you how to easily set up this EMOTE STREAK widget for your Kick stream. First, sign up at Kicklet app if you haven't already. It's really easy, just click here on the top right. I'm already signed in and can start right away. We click on the Widgets section in the sidebar menu below, and now see a page like this. Here, switch to the Gallery tab, and you can search for EMOTE STREAK in the search bar below. Now press on the widget. We don't need to change the name. You can leave it at default. Then click on Save. Here, you can configure a few things. The minimum streak is how many emotes need to be sent in your chat for the streak to be counted. The display time is how long the streak is maintained before it disappears. Below are some visual settings that you can play around with until you're satisfied. I'll just leave everything at default and then click on Save below. Now we just need to integrate the widget into OBS. It's super easy. Just click on it once and then drag and drop this green box into your OBS window. Click on Yes and position the widget where you'd like it. Once you're satisfied, the widget is successfully integrated and we can test it. For this, we'll go into my Kick chat and I'll spam some emotes. We see the streak successfully appears in our OBS, meaning we've done everything right. If you should have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to join the Kicklet Discord with the link in the description and ask. That's it from me with the video. Please leave a like and a comment. See you next time.